No, she's under investigation, but the daughter doesn't have any official documents that she is affiliated with this mother, and her daughter is under investigation. Once she's released, there is an official document that proves that she is her daughter. She didn't bring any official documents to prove that. What are the procedures that have been taken to process this forward? Have there been any kind of communication with the Ministry of Labor or SJC or Ministry of Interior or UNICEF in this matter? It's one of the families of ISIS-affiliated members. So the only important obstacle is the official documents are scattered in camp, and so even if the documents are forged, we just can authenticate them, but there are no documents. I just want to raise a very important point regarding the official documents of displaced people from Al-Hol camp in Syria. What I do is to receive the document and be sent to the Directorate of Civil Affairs in Iraq for authenticating them, and then sending the confirmation back to J1 to communicate. You can communicate with me or with the Directorate of Civil Affairs office to be processed, since they have all the documents. So if there is any suspect coming from Al-Hol, his document or her document are going to be sent to the Directorate of Social Affairs for authenticating, and it takes almost processing of 3 months. I have received Group 15, and it was going to be sent to the Ministry of Migration and J1 to be processed, and including of them. Would it be possible if you can send that to us? This will definitely help us process that. So once the documents have been processed, excuse me, Colonel, we are talking about prisoners. So they're coming from different backgrounds. What happens is that you receive the documents regarding returning families. They're coming from Al-Hol camp. But as for the, I'm not talking only about those from Al-Hol camp regarding the investigation. Mr. Brigadier General, allow me to say, those coming from a J1 or suspects or prisoners, if they have any official documents to be processed, we process them. In addition to that, the suspects who have been received, we process their documents, and they are in Syrian prisons, and they're not in the camps in Syria. And currently, all of their presence, post to the prison events and riots more than a year ago, for those who are arrested during their return from Al-Hol to J1 or inside J1, the other countries, because you mentioned that it's not within the domain of specialization of Al-Qur court. Do you have any idea about that, or do you think those are arrested through the process of return? We have talked a little bit about that before. That's true. We have not received anybody who is in Al-Hol, but we only talk about those people who are in prisons according to their province. So it's a province-based kind of investigation. How can we get the details of those people, and how can we get the status of them right now, whether those who are arrested or those who are wanted?